Mula sa pagbubuntis hanggang sa pagkapanganak ng sanggol, ay masasabi nating isa sa mga pinakamaligayang panahon para sa mga kababaihan. Ngunit ang pangunahing layunin na kailangang tandaan ng isang nagbubuntis ay ang maging ligtas sa panahon ng kanyang pagdadalang tao. Ang mapangalagaan ng kanyang kalusugan ay makakatulong ng malaki para sa maayos na kalusugan rin ng sanggol. Dahil maaaring may lumitaw na mga problema gawa ng pagbabagong nangyayari sa katawan ng babae sa mga panahong ito.
So, ang pagbubuntis, there are a lot of changes. So, particularly the entire pregnancy, and there are changes that includes the respiratory system sa baga, sa puso ng pregnant mom, and then the other factors like the urinary bladder, gastrointestinal. Pero ang most significant changes is the physical one, meaning there is increase in body weight. Second is lumalaki ang tiyan, and then the breast, and then the skin. There are a lot of health risks. So for example, in the first trimester, the ultimate that we usually do is to prevent as much as possible miscarriage, which is common at saka dilemma yun ng bawat buntis. And then after that, that's why we need a regular prenatal checkup. It's because yung morning sickness can be considered normal, but there are sometimes na magiging grabe siya. So ang nangyayari, ang mom is usually prone to iron deficiency anemia.
Dahil sa mga pwedeng mangyari sa bata at ina, nararapat na alam ng isang mami kung anong dapat niyang gawin, lalo na sa kapanganakan ng baby.
So for the mother, for example, if it is exclusive breastfeeding, number one, for the baby, of course, is the physical contact with the mother, closeness. So there is skin-to-skin touch, and at the same time, eye contact, which develops now the bonding. So may bonding ang mother and the baby. And second, the baby feels secure. Supplements that we usually give to the mother, the most common is moringa. So the moringa, popularly known as malunggay. So everybody knows about malunggay. If the mother takes moringa, even before or after to maintain the breast milk production, moringa or malunggay increases the amount of breast milk produced, hence it increases the production.
Ang isang pwedeng makatulong sa mommies ay ang NuMoms, isang supplement na may 350 mg extract ng malunggay at 400 micrograms ng folic acid. Mga bagay na kayang panatiling malusog ang ina, pati na rin si baby. This portion was brought to you by NuMoms.